Aarti Jerath, Mr. Rajagopal are both the two journalistic observers on this debate, not observers, participants, sorry. I'm the only observer. Randeep Singh Surjewala of the Congress Party. Congress losing no time today. First opportunity, full press conference, have gone for the jugular as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Clearly, Congress wants to come back to the debate. Siddharth Nath Singh, welcome. Taking a break from fighting Mamta Banerjee in West Bengal tonight on the Delhi debate. Siddharth, welcome. My first question is to Ashutosh, and I hope Ashutosh answers this question like the old Ashutosh. The Ashutosh I know, the one who would not get perturbed when he would either ask or be asked a tough question. And the Ashutosh who has been honest in his time as a journalist. Ashutosh, my simple question to you is, forget Kiran Bedi cheating anyone by being the voice of the BJP within India against corruption. If there is someone who has cheated someone, that someone is Arvind Kejriwal. Because Arvind Kejriwal never questioned it when he was in India against corruption. The Mohan Bhagwat said the RSS supports India against corruption. Arvind Kejriwal happily took that support with both his hands. As long as it was politically convenient to him, Arvind Kejriwal went with the pro-BJP lobbies within India against corruption. How can a man with such a background now claim to be the person taking on the BJP? Who will believe you anymore, Ashutosh, when you make that claim, after what your own leaders have said?
I'm a little worried today for the simple reason because the Arnab I used to know, and I know Arnab for the last 20 years and I know him pretty well. But the news, his channel has been saying explosive, sensational, biggest, setting the trend, stunning the claim, as if Kiran Bedi being soft on BJP is a new disclosure.
Did Arvind Kejriwal ever say so?
That this is, let me finish. I'm coming to you. This is the oldest news. Whole world knew. Every journalist in Delhi knew that Kiran Bedi was.
Forget every journalist. Did Arvind Kejriwal know?
I'm having a.
Did Arvind Kejriwal know?
Listen.
No, 1 second. Did Arvind Kejriwal know? Forget the journalists. You knew you were a journalist. Did Arvind Kejriwal know? Did Arvind Kejriwal know, Ashutosh?
Let me first complete.
Did Arvind Kejriwal know?
Let me complete.
If there was a BJP plan with an ISC, did Arvind Kejriwal know?
Let me complete. Arnab, let me complete. I am little worried for the simple reason because what is happening to journalism in this country?
No, I'm not. I don't know. You don't need to be worried about journalism. I'm worried about Arvind Kejriwal. Did Arvind Kejriwal know?
Let me read. Let me read.
Your leaders. First of all, Ashutosh, just 1 second. Just 1 minute. Let me make a point to you. 1 second, just a minute. I want to put the statement in perspective. No, 1 second. 1 second. You are saying it's an old story. I understood. You will now prove out some paper saying it's an old story. I'm asking you tonight. 1 second, please. Yesterday, you realize how serious this is, Ashutosh. Yesterday, two leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, not one, admitted that your chief, among other leaders, were part of a social movement that had strong BJP undercurrents. 1 minute. B, yesterday the Aam Aadmi Party leaders admitted that Arvind Kejriwal was aware of the pro-BJP bias of leaders of the Anna movement and decided to go along with it. Yesterday, the Aam Aadmi Party admitted that one of the biggest social movements of our time, in which Arvind Kejriwal played an important part, was a pro-BJP movement. Yesterday, I will use the words of Ashish Khaitan from Newshour yesterday. He said, Miss Bedi used to dissuade Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. 1 minute. Sir, please, Ashutosh, let me complete. Won't you let me complete the question? She said Miss Kiran Bedi used to dissuade Arvind Kejriwal from making statements against the BJP for bringing out the corruption of the BJP in the open. All that everyone wants to know today is, why was Arvind Kejriwal agreeing to go along with the pro-BJP agenda of Kiran Bedi? Why?
Can I speak after a long monologue of Mr. Arnab Goswami?
It's a straightforward question.
I'm having a PTI copy of 2000. Let me answer. I'm holding a PTI copy of August 25, 2012,
Right.
where it has quoted the Kiran Bedi's tweet I fully support Arvind's call for Jantar Mantar rally, while I feel we need to focus on party in power, and I respect his and others' view. He has also said, I had informed the team my personal perspective that we ought to focus on the ruling party as the
No, one second,
one minute.
Now let me quote to you. Let me quote to you. Let me also quote.
Let me complete, Baba.
Let me quote. Why are you getting perturbed, Ashutosh? Let me quote. Let me quote. Let me quote. I'm going to quote you Arvind Kejriwal. Let me quote Arvind Kejriwal. Ashutosh, let me quote Arvind Kejriwal. जरा मुझे सुन लीजिए 2 मिनट. मैं सिर्फ अरविंद केजरीवाल. प्लीज आशुतोष. प्लीज आशुतोष, आप मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को कोट कर रहा हूं. आप क्यों घबरा रहे हैं?
चलो मैं सुनना.
जरा मेरी बात सुनिए. On the 14th of October 2012. On the 14th of October 2012. आशुतोष जी जरा सुनिए प्लीज. अक्टूबर के 14 तारीख 2012 में अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा, इसके बाद मैं डिबेट के लिए खोल दूंगा प्लीज. रणदीप सुरजेवाला वांट्स टू कम टू द डिबेट. देयर आर अदर पार्टिसिपेंट्स. इसके बाद खोल देंगे डिबेट के लिए. सिद्धार्थ नाथ सिंह विल वांट टू कम टू द डिबेट. लोगों ने क्या समझा और क्या सच में हुआ? 1 सेकंड. नहीं, लोगों ने समझा अरविंद केजरीवाल इज नॉन पॉलिटिकल, किरण बेदी इज नॉन पॉलिटिकल, अन्ना हजारे इज नॉन पॉलिटिकल. Today, Aam Aadmi Party leaders are coming out and saying, no, we were not non-political. Anna Hazare was always pro-BJP. Now, I know you're picking out your book. I have also read your book. And Kiran Bedi was pro-BJP. But you know what you're saying is Arvind was not pro-BJP. He just went along. Now, Arvind Kejriwal on October 14, 2012, Randeep Surjewala said, quote, we have been accused of being BJP's B team. We have been accused of being BJP's B team. It is the BJP and Congress who have become our B team. We can never be the BJP's B team. But if there was a written understanding or an unwritten understanding within Anna team not to go against the BJP on issues of corruption, Arvind Kejriwal was quiet on it. Why would the people of Delhi today believe that Arvind Kejriwal actually wants to take on the BJP? He wants to take on the BJP when it's convenient for him.
Arnab, can I?
Not as a matter of principle.
Can I? No.
There's no principle. There is only ambition. Ambition,
Arnab,
not principle.
Arnab, let me tell you.
We said we'll open the debate.
Wrong. Let me tell you, absolutely wrong. And today, in the last 20 years of my friendship, I must tell you, the Arnab, somewhere down
it's all
the
right.
line,
No, don't get personal, Ashutosh.
Seen somewhere.
Ashutosh, don't get personal. Forget, leave personal parts out of it. Get into the debate.
This is not fair. This is not fair.
Yeah, but let's debate. Let's not get personal with each other, Ashutosh.
No. Let me complete. There are the two aspects.
Just because you joined politics and I remained a journalist does not mean you hold a grouse against me.
No. Arnab, let me complete.
You joined politics. That doesn't mean that you make personal comments
on BJP. And the other aspect is, was Arvind Kejriwal persuaded by and Arvind Kejriwal followed his line? These are the two different things. Kiran was soft, the whole world knew. This is no disclosure. Why are you calling it explosive? Arvind never succumbed to Kiran Bedi's persuasion. Never, ever.
Well,
you can't cite a single example.
Well, did you expel Kiran Bedi from the movement? When a person says don't go...
So you're wrong.
What? Siddharth is taking you on. Siddharth is taking you on.
You're wrong for that simple reason.
Siddharth and Randeep Surjewala both are taking you on now, please. Siddharth and he are both taking you on. 1 second.
I have few simple points. Arnab, since the Aam Aadmi Party leadership has created an aspersion on the India Against Corruption movement, which was their own movement, and from there the various leaders have come into the fold in the public domain. Now let me ask Mr. Ashutosh ji, if everybody, you say that it was not Times Now who had done a breaking story, it was not the Times News Hour which break the story, and it's become a debating point. Let me for a minute take it. And you say that everybody knew about it. Now I must say that the journalist Ashutosh also knew about it. But journalist Ashutosh never tried to expose that IAC had a BJP mole. You should have exposed that BJP mole. And you went ahead in joining a political party which had a BJP mole. Which had a BJP mole. You had a BJP mole, and then from there, your own party, where you are a member, you recommended that Kiran Bedi, a BJP mole, can be the chief minister candidate. Now here, it's a whole lot of a complex.
Who said BJP is more?
story which has been thrown by Aam Aadmi leadership, because at the end of the day, unfortunately, Ashutosh ji, you don't have a relevant issue in the Delhi elections. So now you're throwing up, and that is
Come on, Siddharth.
is going to
BJP
backfire
do
or
not have a
rather has
relevant issue. That is
backfired
why
on
you are
Aam
trying to
Aadmi
rake up this
Party.
issue.
No, 1 second. Ashutosh,
No,
Ashutosh,
please.
to give you
No,
an
no, no.
example.
Please answer.
Ashutosh,
Please answer what questions I've raised. Ashutosh ji, from your own answers I've raised.
Aarti, before I come to you, I want to say something.
Yeah.
Before I go to you, I want to say something to Ashutosh. 1 second.
Ashutosh,
1 second. Ashutosh. Bhishma Pitama did not support Duryodhan. He kept quiet. Don't laugh. Is Arvind the Bhishma Pitama?
Arnab Goswami.
What Arvind Kejriwal did not.
Let me tell you why.
Kejriwal did not
No, let me
support
tell
the
you why.
RSS. He
Because-
kept quiet.
You are not letting me speak.
No, don't get
Arnab
worked
Goswami, you are
up
not
now,
letting me
please,
speak. This is not
Ashutosh.
fair. No, you are not letting me speak.
I'm letting you speak. I'm making my point vis-a-vis
you want the whole
yours.
world to believe that. No. You, because you are not letting me speak. You want the whole world to believe that Arvind Kejriwal, he succumbed to the pressures of Kiran Bedi.
Obviously
which is not
he
a
did.
fact. You are unnecessarily trying to manipulate facts.
No,
that is why
but-
today I am worried that what happened to the editor of.
Don't worry about the editor. The editor is an editor. He's not into politics.
Continuing with a monologue.
No. Arnab, you are being mischievous. You are manipulating facts.
That's very wrong. Ashutosh,
Manipulating facts.
Ashutosh, that's very wrong of you to say that.
You give me one example. You give me one example when we had the community
to outshout everybody. Others can also speak so loudly. Ashutosh, with due regard,
Ashutosh, Randeep Surjewala wants to say something to you.
Mr. Arnab Goswami has raised.
No, Randeep Surjewala, but Arnab Goswami, you are being wrong.
Hearing you patiently.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You are being wrong.
Well,
You are trying to manipulate facts which is not
Kindly
true.
have the patience
Give me
to
one
listen,
example.
Ashutosh.
Give me one example.
Arnab, the truth is that political
Kejriwal succumbed to
opportunism.
case-
No, what is the example that you want? 1 second.
One example.
What he wants one example.
Give me one
Randeep, 1 minute. Randeep, 1 second. Randeep Surjewala, 1 second. Ashutosh says, 1 minute, Ashutosh, I didn't hear you. Ashutosh says he's taking me on there. He says I am mischievous. He says I am manipulative. He says my journalism is compromised. So I will ask you, Ashutosh, please tell me, first of all, you tell me, what are you saying? What are you saying? I'll answer you. What was your question?
Arnab, you tell me, you give me one example when Arvind Kejriwal succumbed to the Kiran Bedi's pressure under India Against Corruption. Give me one example.
Okay, you are willing to listen?
Give me one example.
Are you willing to listen?
No, you give me one example.
Are you
when
willing to listen?
Succumbed to the Kiran Bedi.
Are you not one? I'll give you several.
Give me one example.
I'll give you several. Before I give you the example, I will give you a
me one.
quote. Ashutosh, please.
Yeah, give
Before you asked a question now, when you were an anchor, you used to ask a question and then get the answer or not? Now you switch roles. I think
I'm
you're
asked-
missing journalism.
because I'm
I
manipulating
think
facts.
you're missing anchoring. That's why you're asking so many questions today. Ashutosh, my question to you is, I'll give you an example.
Come on,
It's all right,
come
Ashutosh.
on.
My
Yeah,
question is all right, Ashutosh. It's all in good humor.
me,
Come
tell
on,
me,
then.
tell me.
Come on, Ashutosh. You're in journalism. You're in
Yeah,
politics.
tell me,
I'm in
tell me.
journalism. But we don't need to get so antagonistic about it. My question here is simple.
I'm
You
not
say
getting
no.
antagonistic.
Ashutosh, now have the
Ask
patience to
questions.
listen, my friend. Listen to me.
Yeah. Tell me.
Thank
Give
you.
me one.
On the 10th of October 2011, check the dates, Google search it. Digvijay Singh says, Anna Hazare to mukhata hai. He's a mask for all anti-Congress parties. What did Arvind Kejriwal say?
So Digvijay Singh has
Listen to me. Listen to me. Arvind Kejriwal said, these are wild allegations. These are baseless allegations. There is no truth in them. We have never got anything to do with a political party. This was the time, Ashutosh, when as per anecdotal evidence coming out now, this was the time when Kiran Bedi was telling Anna Hazare, don't go against the BJP. At this point of time, the India Against Corruption, if it was so principled, would have expelled Kiran Bedi from the movement, saying, you have political inclinations, you are not neutral. But they did not do that. They threw out Agnivesh. They threw out Agnivesh for speaking against speaking to Kapil Sibal against Anna Hazare. Why were the rules of the game different for Kiran Bedi? And this was also, please now let me continue. The India Against Corruption did not expel Kiran Bedi from the movement despite her political inclinations, but decided to expel founding member Mufti Shamoon Qazi for taking a video recording of the meetings proceedings of its home. Now, it doesn't add up to me that a founding member is thrown out for taking video clippings, but a person who is batting for the BJP inside India Against Corruption is pardoned. Everybody goes along with him, and now you want us to believe that Arvind Kejriwal is genuinely an anti-BJP voice? Anna Hazare said on 9th June 2011.
Can I answer?
Anna Hazare said on 9th June 2011. 9th June 2011 he said. Mr. Ashutosh, you want me to give you more examples? He said, in my entire life I have never had any relations with the RSS, the BJP, the Congress, the Shiv Sena or any political party.
And let me...
If Arvind Kejriwal knew...
Tell you, Arnab...
If Arvind Kejriwal knew Anna was lying, Arvind Kejriwal should have walked out then. He should have walked out.
Arnab, let me tell you also, I'm not saying you are compromised, but you are losing your editor quality.
That's all right. Ashutosh, you wanted examples, I gave you 4.
Let me tell you. No, let me answer. Because the perspective which you are giving, its perspective lacks historical sense.
It
lacks
policies of
sense of history. If you go to the freedom movement, if you go to the freedom movement, there were the left movement, there were the right movement, there were the socialists, there were Sardar Patel, there were Madan Mohan Malviya.
You tell me, Ashutosh.
You wanted to tell me.
Ashutosh, you tell me.
Should have expelled Madan Mohan Malviya.
You tell me.
Expelled other people.
No.
In the JP movement.
But you did Arvind Kejriwal and Anna Hazare say they are non-political?
That JP should have expelled Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Why did you not take action against Kiran Bedi then?
Arnab, unfortunately, you lack sense of history.
What history? This is as contemporary history as anything. Though I am talking about the year 2012. I am talking about 2012, not 2012, not 1912. I am talking about now.
Arnab, you know, the mass movement will have all kinds,
and you go along with it.
It is the leadership and the ideology.
Okay, now Ashutosh, now you've had the maximum say. Can others come in now to rebut you?
No, I'm not saying.
In the spirit of a democratic debate, Rajagopal is coming in. Yes, Rajagopal. But before Rajagopalan, I'll allow Mr. Randeep Surjewala to come in. Randeep Surjewala first.
Thank you, Arnab. We've patiently heard Ashutosh ji. But let me begin by saying that neither lessons of history nor questioning editorial integrity of journalists will save us from or save any party from the absolute truth today, and that is what was disclosed on Times. Now it is like this. There are 3 unequivocal facts on display today. Number 1, Mr. Kumar Vishwas, Ashish Khetan, and today on your news channel Ashutosh ji himself admitted that India Against Corruption, Miss Kiran Bedi, General V.K. Singh were supporters of Bharatiya Janata Party, wanted issues against BJP of whether of Karnataka or of other states including Madhya Pradesh not raised in presence of Mr. Kejriwal and others. Number 2, none less than Mr. Shanti Bhushan yesterday said that Miss Kiran Bedi always had a BJP mindset. Mr. Shanti Bhushan also said, who's the patriarch of Aam Aadmi Party, that Mr. Kejriwal himself had leaning towards BJP, and that is why he was seeking support of Baba Ramdev and others. It is only later that when he decided to form a political party that he changed his mind. And Arnab, you would recollect, and the whole nation saw, when you put all these inconvenient questions and tweets to Miss Bedi herself, she, like Mr. Modi, took out her mic and we all saw her walk out. The truth is this: political lust for power and opportunism of these 2 leaders who are now fighting for Chief Minister's chair is out in the open. Pursuant to the revelations made on NewsHour, India Against Corruption was actually individuals against Congress and has now become individual aspiration for chief ministership, whatever may be the cost, these are pertinent answers that both Ms. Bedi as also Kejriwalji's party, including our dear friend Ashutosh, must answer, because both the parties stand
Ashutosh,
exposed. It was sheer anti-Congressism.
You know, Ashutosh, you know the truth.
And RSS elements.
No, you
they
know,
were governing
what?
this whole debate.
No, you know, Ashutosh, you know the truth, and I want the truth to come out. 1 second. Now we are putting 2 and 2 together. Aarti and Rajagopalan can come in. You see, on one day, same day, October 10th, 2011, Ashutosh, you were then the managing editor of IBN 7 channel. Let me please speak. You know what happened as well as I do. You know as well as I do what was going on. You know what was happening on October 10, 2011? There were 2 quotes. First quote was from Mohan Bhagwat. Mohan Bhagwat's quote was the following. Mohan Bhagwat ji ने कहा, राष्ट्रीय स्वयं सेवक संघ के जो workers हैं, they will always stand by the side of any person who is fighting against corruption. We are supporting it, he said. Mohan Bhagwat gave his full support to the movement, to the India Against Corruption movement. No,
There was a letter.
I am quoting you. I am quoting Mohan Bhagwat. I am quoting Mohan Bhagwat.
I'm also quoting you.
I am quoting Mohan Bhagwat. Ashutosh, why are you getting perturbed?
I heard enough you. Let me also quote you. Let me quote you.
Did Mohan Bhagwat support the India Against Corruption movement?
Arnab, I have a slight question with Ranjit
Arnab, I think you are going
If you
little
allow me.
overboard. I remember at that point of time, your channel was also supporting India Against Corruption movement.
We were
You very
supporting
well
the
know
fight against
that what Anna
corruption.
Hazare has been saying.
We are not
Anna
media
Hazare has
partners
been
of
saying
anyone, including
if
yours.
One party is in MA in corruption, the other is a PhD in corruption. So there is no gain in regime change, system change. It's the final solution.
You tell me.
He did not make a difference between
Okay,
the BJP
Kiran
and
Bedi.
Congress.
Kiran
He said,
Bedi.
If Congress has done MA in corruption, the BJP has the
Wrong.
PhD in corruption.
Ashutosh.
So don't try to mislead
Ashutosh,
people.
Ashutosh, when I connect the dots, don't accuse me of misleading. I will speak up as I want to. On the same day, October 10, 2011, if Ashutosh has the patience to listen, I want to tell him something. On the same day that RSS openly declared support for India Against Corruption. 1 second, I want to know, did Arvind Kejriwal come and say we don't want the support of the RSS? 1 second. Did Arvind Kejriwal say I don't want RSS support?
Arnab, for you this can be a news.
Why Kejriwal
Arnab,
accepted
for you
RSS
this can be a
support?
news. Not for me. No.
Did Arvind Kejriwal welcome the support of the RSS or go against it? Did Arvind Kejriwal refuse the support of the RSS?
The whole world
RSS
knew
men
about
were
it.
there.
The whole world knew about this.
No, 1 second. Today you... Ashutosh.
Congress has done had MA in corruption. BJP has done PhD in
Ashutosh,
corruption.
you listen.
Where were you?
Ashutosh, listen to
Where
me.
were you,
Listen to me 1 minute. Don't make it
Where were
personal.
you?
I'm repeatedly telling you.
No. Where were you?
Repeatedly, personal attacks are like water off a duck's back as far as I'm
went to
concerned.
airport to receive Anna
Using
Hazare.
facts.
5 ministers of
manipulating
UPA
facts.
went to Anna
Where are you,
Hazare.
Arnab Goswami?
Has Arvind
I want to
Kejriwal
know.
become a
I want to
Congress
know.
minister?
want to remind
He must
us,
answer.
I want to know. Where were you?
that
5
it is their
ministers.
candidate
Arnab
in-
Goswami,
Five
in-
ministers
where were you?
went to the
Have you heard of
airport
Anna Hazare
to
saying
receive
this?
Anna
I've done
Hazare.
MA in
And
corruption.
Arvind Kejriwal.
Have you heard of this?
video which now reflects that
Where-
they were paying
Did you
money
hear
and
this?
liquor for bringing
Have you ever
people
heard
to
Anna Hazare
rallies.
saying this? That Congress has done MA in
Ashutosh ji,
corruption.
why did you take a
and
support
BJP
of
has
a
done
corrupt
PhD.
party?
Have you heard this? No. Have you heard this?
Why
Mr.
did you
Arnab
take...
Goswami,
Why
have you heard
did...
this?
Where did Kejriwal take RSS support
Have
then?
you,
That is not
have
the
you
issue.
heard this?
Arnab,
Anna Hazare, the tallest leader of the movement.
5 ministers went to airport to receive Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal.
And why
How
did
become Congress at that time?
Then
Why did Congress give a support to Aam Aadmi Party when
Have
they
you
knew
heard
that
this,
is the
Mr.
B
Arnab
team of
Goswami? You have not
BJP?
heard it. Because you have become very selective with facts.
I'll tell you one more
You have
fact.
become very selective with facts.
I'll tell you one
You
more
are telling
fact.
the whole world that this was
I will
explosive.
tell you one more fact.
No.
Arnab,
I'll
it's
tell
not
you
a
one
fight
more
between
fact and
media
now I'll
houses.
start
You hear
quoting
this?
from your
The
book.
fight between
Did you
Kejriwal
hear
and
this fact?
Kiran Bedi.
Arnab, did you
He
hear
must
this
bring in
fact?
politics
What Anna
here.
has been saying
There is
First
no
of all-
media fight here.
First of all, everyone
Did
just
you-
calm
did you
down.
hear that
Everyone
fact?
just calm down for a minute. 1 second. Oh, no, can you just calm down? We are having a debate here. We are not going to war with each other. Please, for 1
Arnab,
minute.
why
Ashutosh.
5 ministers went to airport to receive Kejriwal? Has he become congressman at that time? He is accusing BJP. Why should Kejriwal accept red carpet from
No.
UPA government? He went and part of the Lokpal committee. Why did he accept that? He should have resigned.
Can I come
Why
in?
did the Congress give us support if the Aam Aadmi Party was
If
the B team of BJP?
If
And they had
Kiran
a
Bedi
vote.
was pro-BJP,
The Congress and
Aarti Charak, Aarti Charak.
to make her the chief minister
Rather
of
than
an
raising the question to the
government
BJP.
in
Sorry, I can't
2013.
see anybody.
Aarti Charak, please, one at a time.
BJP, why
Aarti
did
Charak.
Arvind Kejriwal
Yeah,
offer her
boliye,
the chief
boliye.
minister's chip? Yeah, if Kiran Bedi
Sorry?
was pro-BJP, soft on the BJP, why did Arvind Kejriwal offer to make her the CM candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party in the 2013 election? Didn't he think that she would,
Agreed.
that she was too
Can I
soft
answer
on
the
the
question
BJP?
without
Wouldn't that have
being
been bringing
interrupted?
the BJP into government
I-
through the back door? Why, Ashutosh, you have to answer
Aarti-
that. Why did you
Aarti-
offer her the CM's post?
Can I? Will you hear me
Ashutosh
patiently
ji,
without being
pointers. There are a
interrupted?
number of pointers which have been raised. Please answer point by point.
What is going?
I'm answering what Aarti Jairath has just asked. Aarti has asked when Arvind Kejriwal knew the Kiran Bedi's inclination, why he offered her the chief ministership. Now you have to hear me patiently. Mahatma, the freedom movement, there were rightists, there were leftists.
Oh God.
And everybody everybody's ideas has been represented.
We are
You
not
mean to
here
say
to have
that
lesser
freedom
No,
movement-
no history is needed here. No history. You talk about official politics.
So why are you trying to
You are lying now.
Why
From
are you
journalist,
trying
you
to
have become a
make
historian.
Why are
You
you
don't want
trying
to
to
listen to me,
paint
I can't
her
help
with
it.
BJP credentials
Sorry.
now?
Ashutosh ji,
you have to
Why are you using it as a
have messed up
team
your own
now? If
campaign.
everybody, if it
Please go back
happens,
to
it
your drawing
happens.
book.
No,
back to
simple
your drawing
answer
board.
to Ashutosh. May I please? Gentlemen, 1 minute. Ashutosh.
No, why
Ashutosh,
are
1
you
minute.
targeting
No,
Kiran Bedi
one
now?
minute. There are two kinds of journalists. There are journalists who
Are you
accept
scared
everything
of
in a
her?
blind way, and there are journalists who will
Is Aam
connect the
Aadmi Party
dots.
Scared
Who's
of
shouting
Kiran
with you?
Bedi?
1 second. That's not shouting. The point is being made by
Who
Aarti
is
Jairath.
shouting?
It's all right. Ashutosh, go on the
I
content,
was
not the
answering
form. 1 second, please.
Yeah, I'm asking.
She's asking, not shouting.
I'm asking. Are you getting
I'm
spooked
replying.
by Kiran Bedi? Is that why
Your
you're raising these
dear
things
friend
now?
Arnab Goswami is not letting me reply. I'm
If we
replying.
measure-
Your friend Arnab Goswami is not letting me reply.
On the 31st of October 2011, another fact for you, Mr.
You also
Ashutosh.
know
Reply.
that
You
the
give us
party
lessons in
is
history.
governed and led by the ideology and
You
the
give us
constitution, not
lessons
by
in
the.
history. You don't reply.
You must answer. Don't go to history.
I'm replying.
Ashutosh.
I'm replying you.
As a journalist,
I'm replying you.
Ashutosh,
You give us
no,
lessons
Aarti,
in
Jairath,
history. We
please
don't
have
want
patience.
lessons in history.
Please have patience.
Now here's a question,
No,
please.
no,
Gentlemen,
Aarti
one
Jairath,
second.
I
Gentlemen,
think-
one
I
second.
think-
Now
I
Randeep
think-
will come in
You
after
have
Ashutosh.
patience.
1 second. My next question, 9:36 p.m. On this News Hour debate, my question is to you, dear viewers. On the News Hour news break, which seems to indicate Arvind Kejriwal knew that Kiran Bedi was pro-BJP and Anna Hazare was pro-BJP enough to allow her to ensure India against corruption when soft against the BJP. Arvind Kejriwal keeps quiet. Mr. Ashutosh tells me, Arnab, you don't know history. My response to Mr.
Arnab Goswami, you
Ashutosh
are
is-
wrong.
Mr. Ashutosh.
Arnab Goswami, you are wrong.
Ashutosh,
No,
please.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, you are wrong.
Mr. Ashutosh,
You are
please.
wrong.
I'll tell you something.
I have to tell you.
Kejriwal
I have to tell you you are
accepted
wrong.
RSS support.
No, you have to tell you you are wrong.
Kejriwal accepted
You are
RSS
manipulating
support.
facts. You are manipulating
Kejriwal
facts, Arnab
supported
Goswami.
BJP
You
leaders.
are manipulating facts. You don't want to listen. You are
don't let me-
manipulating facts.
You don't let me speak.
You are manipulating
He's
facts. I
very
want to tell you.
repetitive, Arnab. Ashutosh keeps repeating himself, the same words.
You don't want to listen, and you're just judging, jumping to the conclusion.
Viewers can decide whether
asked
I
you,
don't
give
want
me
to
one
listen or you don't
example
want to
where
listen,
Arnab-
Ashutosh.
Where Arvind Kejriwal has second to the Kiran Bedi. Give me one example.
Okay, I'll give you one example.
You
Please
have not
listen
given me a
then.
single example.
Oh, listen then, please. I'll give you one example. You want
Yeah,
the
just
example?
give
I'll
me
give
an
you one
anecdote.
more example. And
Yeah,
by
just
the way,
give me an
viewers, please note tonight how many
example
times
is
Ashutosh
Arvind
tells
Kejriwal
me,
made Kiran
give me
Bedi
one
a chief
example,
minister.
and I give him one example.
Itself is an example.
I'll give one more example to Ashutosh, please. Ashutosh, please.
You have not given
Kejriwal
one
made
example.
Bedi as a chief minister.
Simple question to Ashutosh. Very simple question. Ashutosh, please listen. Just very simple question. Please relax. Take a deep breath, Ashutosh. Listen to the question. Is it true, Ashutosh, that
Yeah.
on 31st October 2011...
Also, don't get hyperventilated.
I am neither hyper
I hope
nor
you're also not
ventilated
getting
nor
hyperventilated.
hyperventilated.
No hyper,
Ashutosh.
no hyper here, no hyper
The
here.
question is very simple.
Kejriwal accepted RSS support.
One second.
Don't be hypersensitive also.
It's all right. Ashutosh, listen to me.
Ashutosh, you must answer also. I
Mr.
say.
Rajagopalan, let me put one question to Ashutosh, and that Surjewala can reply. Mr. Surjewala can reply also after that.
Sportsman spirit sometimes.
All right,
sometimes
Ashutosh.
editor of your stature also commit mistakes.
Ashutosh, please listen, please. It's all right. Thank you for the compliment. I don't accept compliments from any politician, including newly inducted politicians.
I'm not a
31st
politician,
October
yeah.
2011.
politician,
sorry.
31st October 2011 is a date which goes down in the annals of Indian political history for a very important reason, one which everyone, especially someone who writes a book on the movement, should have known. Because on that date, a man called Mohan Bhagwat openly, there's nothing squeamish, openly came out, openly supported
didn't know that.
Anna
You
Hazare's
didn't know
movement
that.
and said the following, please let me complete. He said, yes, RSS is totally supporting the Anna movement. What is the problem, Mohan Bhagwat said. Don't you know what RSS is? What is the problem? We are openly supporting the whole India against corruption movement. This is exactly the time when 2 days before that, Kiran Bedi says, Anna does not have any political inclination at all. Our entire movement is apolitical. Kiran Bedi says entire movement is apolitical. Arvind Kejriwal knows that Kiran Bedi is pushing a BJP agenda inside Team Anna as disclosed by Aam Aadmi Party leaders, Kumar Vishwas and Ashish Khaitan, and one day later, let me complete, Mohan Bhagwat openly comes out in support of the whole movement. Randeep Surjewala and anyone, Aarti Jarat, was there ever a moment in all of this when Arvind Kejriwal said, this is unacceptable, either we are truly apolitical or I'll walk out?
He never rejected it.
He never
Arvind
rejected it.
accepted Kejriwal's support.
He accepted it with both
Kejriwal
hands.
accepted RSS
Arnab
support.
Goswami, मुझे आपकी
Kejriwal
धरती पर-
accepted RSS support.
Let me tell you, Arnab Goswami,
I'm sorry,
if you had been
Ashutosh, you
editor,
will not let
by
me
now
speak,
you would have
and I'll
rubbished
to
JP
raise the
movement.
volume and say the
Kejriwal
You would have
accepted
rubbished JP
RSS
movement.
support.
Johnson was merged into Janata
The
Party.
truth of the matter is
What are you
very,
trying to tell
very
us?
simple.